Do you ever feel like no matter how you study, nothing sticks? You spend hours staring at notes, highlighting everything, but when it's time to recall, gone? Or maybe you sit down to study, but your phone keeps pulling you back. Just one notification, one video, one text, and suddenly an hour is gone. It's not your fault. Most students are stuck in the hidden study trap. Traps that keep them stressed, distracted, and scoring below their potential. Today I'm going to expose 5 of these traps and give you powerful solutions to break free. And at the end, I have a free resource that will make it 10 times easier. So stay with me. Let's dive in. I'll study later trap. Ever told yourself I'll study tomorrow and somehow tomorrow never comes? The science behind it is your brain is designed to avoid hard tasks because they feel painful. That's why scrolling feels easier than studying. What I've told you the solution is tempting bundling. What if your mobile becomes a study guide instead of your biggest distraction? Do this. Pair your studying with something enjoyable. Example, I can only watch my favorite serial after I complete 30-minute study session. I can only check social media if I finish revising one chapter. Your brain starts associating studying with pleasure. Now, instead of avoiding it, you look forward to it. Ever reread a chapter and thought, yes, I got it. Now to only forget it the next day. Why? Because passive reading creates an illusion of learning. The solution is active recall. Stop reading, start testing. After reading, close your book and try recalling key points. Use your phone as a start study system. Instead of watching random videos, record yourself explaining concepts and listen back. Teach what you learn. If you can explain it in simple words to a friend or a sibling, you truly understand. Trap number 3. The motivation dependence problem. Ever stared at the study plan full of motivation, but after a few days it faded away? Why? Because motivation is unreliable. Winners use system, not feelings. The solution is a no excuse study system. Set a fixed study time and place. Your brain performs better with routine. Remove decision fatigue. Have a study schedule ready so you don't waste time thinking, what should I study? Make skipping impossible. Tell your parents or siblings about study goals so that they keep you accountable. The distraction overload cycle. Sit down to study, but 5 minutes in, you check your phone, then 10 minutes on Instagram, then on YouTube video, then suddenly study time is gone. Why? Because your phone is designed to steal your attention. Use minimalistic app. Finally control distractions. Turn your phone into a smart study system. Use family link to tell your parents and control your excessive use of social media. Keep only essential study apps. Remove social media and games during study hours. Place your phone in another room or switch to grayscale mode to reduce temptation. Use the 20-50 rule. 20 minutes deep study, 5 minutes break. Your focus will skyrocket. This way your mobile stops controlling you and starts working for you. Every student has been there. Mind black, panic rising, struggling to recall answers. Why? Because that last minute cramming overloads your brain. The 5-week mastery plan is that learn concepts deeply, use active recall to revise, solve past papers, mock tests and confidence building. By planning ahead, you'll walk into exam hall feeling the confidence. If you found this podcast useful, I have something that will make your study life 10x easier. I have created a free resource to help you convert your mobile into a distraction-free study system. Go in the description and download it. This simple system will boost your focus, cut distractions and make studying effortless. Go grab it. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. And the I'll study later course, fix it with temptation bundling, reading and highlighting myth, use active recall for real learning, motivational dependence, build a non-excuse study system, distraction overload, converting mobile into a study system, smart study system, exam stress cycle, follow the 4-week mastery plan. If you enjoyed this episode, leave a 5-star review and share it with your friend who needs it. More power to you. See you in the next episode.